Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Fiesta. So from any screen, you need to go to phone, and you'll see there, the top you've got select phone, then Bluetooth on and reject all calls. Bluetooth on, if you're pairing your phone, there needs to be a tick in that. So if you're having problems, go back to the screen, make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth on. But you'll see an arrow at the side of select phone. That corresponds to this kind of joystick affair here. So we click sideways and you see my phone there, it's highlighted. If there's a few, then you would just have to use this to up and down and highlight them. But you've got debond. Debond is there. The instructions in the bottom of the screen here correspond to these four buttons here. So you've got BT off, Bluetooth off, and debond here. So we'll click debond. Do you want to debond Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Fiesta. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then kind of from any screen onto phone. It's got select phone there, there's nothing. But it's shown up on the Bluetooth here. Click Ford Audio.
Please enter the PIN code shown on the radio display into your mobile phone.
So just wait for the volume control to go off so I can see it. And it says PIN 5840. 5840 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I don't want to do that. I won't be using the car again, but you would. So don't allow for me. My sat nav is very handily just reminding me how long it is to get home. So there you go, that's it done. Ford connected. The other great thing with this system is if you go to your iTunes here, and then you see at the bottom there the red triangle, the three red circles, Ford Audio, just click it, sorry. If there's no tick next to it, just touch it, make sure there's a tick there. I will turn it down actually, and then here if we go to auxiliary, line in active, I'll turn that up, click play, turn this up, and then just find it with auxiliary. There you go. There you go. Sometimes you have to click auxiliary a couple of times because you've also down here got a USB socket and also auxiliary in. So if you're using any of those, there's probably three options. But that's it. It's easy enough. It's a real good sound system. One of the other things you can do these days is if you're driving and you're not allowed to mess about with your phone. Of course, you're not allowed to touch your phone these days. It's against the law. But if you want to play music from your phone, there's another option you can use. Hey Siri, play music. There you go.